There is a story, a personal experience that led Assisting Hands home care franchise owners down the caregiving path.
I became a widow, and I ended up being responsible for my deceased husband's parents, and which made me realize that I had a pretty high standards for what I wanted to hire, and I couldn't find anybody that met those standards. So that started the seeds of thought with me. The people want to live in their own homes as they age in place. They do not want to go into assisted living by and large. The people in my community love being able to stay home with independence. And so caregiving provides the independence in order to remain at home.
To learn more, visit assistinghandsfranchise.com.